Okay, today I'm showing an animation that's in the mainstream news. That's the link there. There's no sound to the video, so I'm just going to play it. It's about where two stars have changed their orbits, and this is their new orbits now. They don't have an explanation for it really. They say how stars travel the Milky Way. Map provides the first evidence of stellar migration in our galaxy. So this is the data that they've got, and those are the two new orbits that they have. So they also go on to say much of the data could be explained by a model in which stars migrate radially, moving closer or further from the galactic centre with time. Now, did you just kind of hear what they just said then? Why would stars be moving closer or further away with time? Because gravity, I'm sorry, that doesn't explain that. One's moving out, one's moving in. The model that you need would be an electromagnetic double helix model. Now, what does that mean? Well, what that means is I have a double helix arrangement for an atom, as I'm of the full belief and have proven that they are electrical. So here's what happens when you calculate the energy of an atom. First off, you have orbit 1 and 2, red and blue. Orbit 1 plus the distance between orbit 1 and orbit 2, so the distance between the red and the blue, equals the power of orbit 2. So the red circle plus the arc distance to the outside blue circle equals the power in the blue circle, as shown here. So what does it mean when one goes out and one comes in? Well, this is also going to explain a universal voltage drop, because they've changed orbits, because the power arrangement has just changed. There was a drop in energy. How do I know? And how can I prove it? Well, it's on screen. The energy of orbit 1 in red plus the distance between orbit 1 and orbit 2 in blue equals the energy at orbit 2. So now we look at the new orbits. So blue is on the inside and now red is on the outside. Orbit 1 is blue, orbit 2 is red. So orbit 1 plus the distance between orbit 1 and orbit 2 equals the energy in orbit 2. So that's the total energy now, is as you can see, one ring less than the previous equation. So look at it again. Red circle plus the distance between the red circle and the blue circle, the energy contained there equals the blue circle. They've changed orientations and changed orbits, but the combined orbits now are not as large as the previous orbit, confirming a universal voltage drop. Thank you very much. My name is Lee and I'm a Christian.